Welcome. In this guide, we're going to explain attributes, what they are and how they relate to GIS and Azimap. We will also provide an example of how attributes can be used by yourself in Azimap. To start with, we will examine the definition of an attribute. Attributes are non-spatial characteristics that describe spatial entities. Typically, attributes are arranged in tables where a row is equivalent to one entity and a column is equivalent to one attribute or a descriptor of that entity. For example, in this table we have information relating to tree locations in a local council area. Each row moving down the list represents a different tree. Each column represents an attribute about the trees that we wish to collect or record. As you can see, the attributes we are collecting in this table are type of tree, species type, species, age, description, tree surround, figure, condition, and finally the tree location expressed as a coordinate. Now, depending on the information you have collected or are looking to capture, you can have an unlimited number of attributes or columns in a table. There really is no limit to the attributes you can capture. We have seen how attributes look in a table, but how do they look on a map? Taking our previous tree table as an example, we can now see how that information is displayed on the map. Each dot represents an individual tree. Clicking on a tree will bring up all the attribute information from the table that has been collected in relation to that tree. From the map, it is also possible to add and capture further trees. By selecting the Draw Points option, you can then place this on the map where a tree is located. This will bring up a sidebar that lets you enter all the individual attribute information. When you have filled in the fields, hit Save to add it to the map. Alternatively, hitting the View Data Grid option will allow you to view all your attributes in a table. Thank you for viewing this guide, and I hope you have gained a greater understanding of what attributes are. If you have any questions, please leave these in the comments below.